Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Explorer cabin filter. First, you will need to locate your glove box and remove all items from inside. Next, gather a few simple tools, such as a small flathead screwdriver, which will assist in the process. Most importantly, make sure you have a brand new cabin air filter on hand, ready for a fresh installation. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. To access the filter, begin by carefully detaching the dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. This arm controls the glove box's opening speed. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box simultaneously. This action will release the two plastic stops, allowing the glove box to swing down completely. Now, the cabin air filter housing will be clearly visible behind it. With the housing exposed, unclip the two retaining tabs that hold the filter cover in place. Carefully remove the cover. Now, gently slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points downwards, matching the original orientation. Finally, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. Next, push the glove box back upwards, gently pressing the sides inward again to allow the stops to re-engage. Lastly, reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. This completes the cabin air filter replacement, providing you with cleaner air inside your Ford Explorer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.